What is up, guys? David here from Overland Nomad. It'll be my first solo camping, and I'm going to a ranch nearby, about an hour away from here, from my house. And I'm really excited. It's actually gonna be me and Piper, my dog, and you guys are coming along. So, pretty excited. I'm actually getting ready to do a big trip next month, and this is kind of like the testing out the setup on my Tundra. So, we're going ranch camping. So like I said, I'm going about an hour from here, from my house. It's not far, it's just for the night. But you know, one night's perfect, that's all I need. Kind of need to get away from things, and that's kind of the reason when I want to go solo camping is, you know, take a little break from work and whatnot. All right. So, Piper's come out in some videos in the past. It's been a while though. She never comes out with us because she's still kind of young and crazy, and whenever I have the kids with me, it's already Ezra's already enough, and then having to deal with a dog is another thing. But if I do these solo trips, I think I'm gonna be taking her with me just to have some company. I do talk to her a lot. All right, let's go. Hipcamp. It's near Raymondville, and it's really nice. I like it. It's a small property, but we are in the middle of nowhere between crop fields. There's crop fields all around us. It's nice and quiet. There's all just farm roads out here. I'm gonna try to talk a little louder because it's kind of windy. So here at this campground, they provide you firewood and everything. There's even a little sink out here, and that's kind of the area I'm assuming where people camp, but the wind's coming from the northwest. There's some brush on that end of the property, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the fire pit that they already have here. I'm gonna throw some wood, and we're probably gonna go camp on that side because it's saying it's gonna be windy for the rest of the afternoon. Who knows, maybe it'll be windy tonight. I don't know, so I would rather play it safe and just set up camp over there where we're against the wind. I'm gonna park over there. Come on, Vibes, let's go. Got the big boy, the Blackfire power station. We'll have it here in the back. to power our needs, whatever we need. I have a little LED light up here. I'll show you guys. Bought it at Walmart for 10 bucks. Just plug her in. And then we got some lights. So we'll be set up there. We'll have that going. But I guess for now, I think it's time to start the fire and get going. I'm getting kind of hungry, and today I have a special recipe for you guys. As many of you know, down here in South Texas, there's not many places to camp, and the only place that we have that you can just go have an adventure in is at the beach, and you've seen me go there a lot. And there's probably no other place in the valley here in South Texas that you could just go and explore. We have 2 state parks that you can camp in here and there, but you're next to people and you're on a parking lot basically, and kind of kills the fun of having a true adventure. And I'm thankful that there is apps like Hipcamp or websites like Hipcamp that gives the ability for property owners to open up their ranches so we can go camp in them. And I'm thankful for his name's David here at JP Ranch. He was really nice with me. We were texting back and forth. Really nice, really good price too to be here. It's about $30 per night. He provides you firewood. You got even a sink over there with water, and you have the whole ranch to yourself. I think other people can join. Like if someone else had booked this place, they would be here too. I think it's up to 5. But down here, I mean, no one really camps. We'll get the fire going, and me and Pipes will just be here for the night. I went to the store and I bought me one of these Stanley cook set for 2 for what we're making today, which is one of my favorite soups, the Olive Garden Toscana soup. It's my favorite, and I always go to Olive Garden to eat it. I always go to Olive Garden to just get that. So it's one of my favorite soups. And I found the recipe, so we're gonna make it out here and see how it comes out. And I'm gonna be using this Stanley set that I picked up at Target. So it looks really nice. It's stainless steel and it's pretty simple. Try it out. Another product that I need to review is this new fridge that I received, and I'm liking it so far. It's been working really well. I've had it in the garage plugged in for a few days. It's dual zone. I love the look of it. It's very simple. Actually, I don't think it even has a brand on it. That's why I don't know the brand. I think it's Set Cool or something like that. And I have it plugged into my EcoFlow. It's over here. Fire's going. It's getting a little cooler. Sun's gonna be coming down in a bit, very soon. I need to get started with a dinner. Or at least we got a fire going. Pipes over here. She's enjoying life. Right, Pipes? You enjoying it or what, dude? You good? All right. Oh, snap. I didn't know the camera was that close. We're gonna be making the Toscana soup. I did try it at home and it was pretty good. It was actually almost perfect, I would say. So now we're gonna do it out here at the ranch. Look at that. Oh. Perfect stew, perfect soup right now. It's getting cold and chilly. Sit by the campfire and relax. And then later we'll go up to the rooftop tent and crash out, me and Pipes. I guess it's a me and Pipes kind of night. And when I say Pipes, I mean Piper. I call her Pipes. So. So we already ate dinner, kind of cleaned up a little bit. I think it's time to go in the rooftop tent. Well, not in a little bit. We'll stay out here by the fire and relax, but I'm planning on just going up there and staying warm, watching some movies, and then probably hit the hay because it's, you know, it's getting a little cold and I'd rather just go up there. It's a beautiful night. The moon's out. Couldn't ask for a better night. Alright guys, well, we're in the rooftop tent. Piper's a lot happier. It's a little warmer in here. I'm gonna close these windows in a little bit. Close it up and watch a movie and relax and stay warm. And probably go to sleep, you know, a good half hour or so. I'll go to sleep early so I'm gonna try to wake up a little earlier than usual. So, nice and warm in here. So like I said, I got these LED strip lights on Amazon, and they just plug in to a regular wall outlet, which plugs into my power station downstairs, and you can adjust the brightness. So it's pretty nice. Tuck Piper. She's all comfy. This is Piper's first time. Ah, come on. Oh, there you go, Pipes. Piper's first time sleeping in the rooftop tent. She's pretty comfy. Piper, we're gonna have to close the windows a little bit. Alright? It's getting a little chilly. And you're kind of on my sleeping bag, Pipes. Might have to get off. Excuse me, Pipes. Hold on, Pipes. There we go. Making some room. I think it's time to roll down these covers on the outside because it's getting cold. Alright, Pipes. There we go. Pipes. A little better. It's kind of nice when you turn off lights in here. You can see everything outside. The moon's pretty bright tonight. So, everything's kind of visible. Because we are in the middle of a field, in the middle of nowhere. It is a little creepy. And Piper keeps growling at things, so that's a little scary. But I think she's growling at bunnies, because when she growled at something, I turned on my light and it was a bunny. Let's check out the weather right now. Let's see. No, signal's just not that great right now. Let's see. Nope, not getting signal. Alright, Pipes, I think it's time to close up that window. It's getting a little cold. I want to be able to see outside, but it's getting chilly. I know Piper's getting cold. You know what? No, I'll leave this one open because the wind's coming from over here from the northwest. Actually never changed, thankfully, because If it would have come from the other way, then it would have been terrible. So, all right. A little better, right, Pipes? A few days ago, I was thinking of just bringing my pop-up camper and just camping in that. But I was like, no, I need to test out the rooftop tent and see how it does. Because I am doing a trip. I won't reveal where, but it's going to be a 4-night trip. And it's going to be me and my dad in here in the rooftop tent and in the truck. We're going to be joining another group of guys. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And it's going to be in this truck. So I wanted to test out how everything is in here, if it's all dialed in before that trip, because I don't think I'm going camping until then. So everything seems good. I mean, difference between the 4-wheel camper and this is they both have their pros and cons. The pros on the 4-wheel camper would be that you have like a tiny house in the back of your truck. You have everything you need. You have room to stand up and walk. And yeah, have the whole kitchen. Everything is there. You don't have to get outside. And that's kind of the other thing about the 4-wheel camper is that it makes me want to just stay inside and not relax outside by the fire. A setup like this, you cook and you do everything outside, and then you come in here to sleep. But one negative, obvious negative about the 4-wheel camper is the fact that it's super heavy, and you're gonna feel it in the truck, and performance wise you're gonna feel it. But if it was something like this, like what I'm doing tonight, it's perfect for that. Good thing about the rooftop tent and this setup is that it's super light. The truck doesn't feel it, and it doesn't feel it a bit, and it's kind of aerodynamic in a way. I don't think it affects my MPGs. I honestly haven't checked, but it's not a heavy setup. And it's really quick to set up and tear down. The 4-wheel camper is pretty easy and to set up and tear down, but this one's a lot quicker. When it comes to like just me and Piper like this, I'd rather just do the rooftop tent. It's a lot easier, and it's kind of what I like. I think I've learned that this is probably my favorite setup so far. And yeah, I'm gonna be spending more nights in this setup than the 4-wheel camper. But I need to put it back on. Like if the family wants to go out, my kids and wife want to go out, then I have to go in the 4-wheel camper, because my wife said she won't go camping unless it's in that thing. Which is kind of cheating, but this is cheating too. So, but anyways, guys, I think me and Pipes are gonna go to sleep. It's already 9:07. It's kind of early, but I don't have anything to do. Kind of tired. When I turn off the lights in here and just hear nature, it starts to put me to sleep. It's really comforting. And then it's cold outside. You get in your sleeping bag, and it's like, it's like that feeling where you're warm, you're cozy. So it puts me to sleep. So I think I'll call it a night, guys. So, Pipes, ready to go to sleep? Good night, guys. Good night, Pipes. Morning, Pipes. Oh, here we go. What is up, guys? Good morning. We had a good night. I was pretty warm. Piper was pretty warm by the looks of it. And it's a beautiful morning. But it's time to start packing up, and then we're just gonna head home. We had a good time here at this ranch. Pretty nice. All right, guys, well, we are leaving already. I highly recommend JP Ranch on Hipcamp. Check them out. David was really nice. He was really nice in setting all this up. It's very simple. He's already, I think, been open for about a year, it seems like, on Hipcamp, and he's already had a lot of people showing up here, and you can check all his reviews out and on the app. But that's it for the video, guys, and I want to thank you guys for coming along with me and Piper camping. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time.